Morning, Barbara. My name is Jim. I'm with Delray Buick GMC here at the pre-owned with the 2016 Buick Cascada that you inquired about. What I'd like to do is take you for a little walk around, show you just how nice this is. It's got a beautiful color. Everybody raves about the color. We've had a lot of interest in this, and I think you can see why. It has been well maintained, I can tell you that. Hopefully these pictures do it justice. It's kind of a bright sunny day today. Nice way to start the week though. Show you the back seat. Hopefully with the shadows you can still see. It looks like it's really never even been sat in. Go inside. Pretty much power everything. Windows, locks, doors, mirrors, power seats. Here's the driver's seat. Like I said, even with the shadows, I can assure you there's no rips or tears. Passenger seat, same thing. Plenty of storage space. Hopefully you can see the depth on that. Does have the navigation. I do have it running. The air is ice cold. You have a USB port down there for your phone. Touch controls on the steering wheel. Those are actual miles at this very moment. Hopefully you can see that. Focus in a little bit more here. Must be the sun. Anyway, it's 28,718 at this very moment. What I'd like to do is put the top up, show you how easy that is. That little beep indicates that is up and secure. Again, this is Delray Buick GMC, Delray Beach. This is a 2016 Buick Cascada. Pretty good gas mileage too. And this is Jim. The best way to get a hold of me is on my cell phone, 407-715-5237. Barbara, look forward to seeing you. Come on in for a test drive. Thanks, have a great day.